Hi there, welcome to installing Model-S screen protector for Rage screen. One of the things that we heard was the screen was a little too tight. So today I'm going to show you a new installation process. Um, Funny enough, this installation process was recommended by one of the customers. So we're trying to redesign the screen, but one of our customers said, hey, you don't need to redesign the screen, you just need to change the installation process. And that's what we're going to do today. I'm just gonna go clean this up, and then I'll show you what exactly the change here is. I'm gonna get the installation kit, go ahead and clean the screen. This looks fairly clean, so I'm not gonna use wet wipes, but if you have any smudges on your screen, you could definitely use wet wipes and dry it out. But I'm just gonna use the microfiber cloth because it looks fairly clean. Let me grab some dust particles. Now, here is where the installation is different. Instead of using guide stickers like we did in the past or with the front screen, what we're going to do is we're going to peel this protective film and stick it in there. You just need to bend a little and then lay it on it and just run your finger across. Boom. That's it. Installation is done. I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe. That's it. It's as simple as that.